Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Authenticator and migrate accounts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your smartphone. Open the App Store relevant to your device. Search for Google Authenticator in the App Store. Select the Google Authenticator app from the search results. Tap on the Install or Get button to download the app. Once the download is complete, open the Google Authenticator app. On the welcome screen, you will see two options: scan a barcode or enter a setup key. If you want to migrate accounts from an existing device, make sure you have access. Open the Google Authenticator app on your old device. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Export Accounts from the menu. You will be prompted to verify your identity using a security method. After verification, select the accounts you want to transfer. Once selected, tap on Next to generate a QR code. Now, go back to your new device with the Google Authenticator app open. Tap on Get Started if this is your first time using the app. To import your accounts, select Scan a barcode. Use your new device to scan the QR code displayed on your old device. After scanning, your accounts will be added to the new device. To ensure everything is working, check the codes for your accounts. Visit a website or service that uses two-factor authentication and enter the code. If the code is accepted, you have successfully migrated your accounts. In case you need to add accounts manually, you can choose Enter a setup key on the new device. Input the service name, your key, and select whether it's time-based or counter-based. Now, your Google Authenticator app is set up on your new device with all your accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.